So 1400 years ago, can we play a video here? Mohsin, who's taking care of the laptop? Can we play a video on this? Is there going to be enough audio?
No audio.
No audio? Even in your laptop?
Yeah, the laptop will be
It'll be visible.
very clear.
No, it'll be clear enough. A laptop. Oh my God, my cell phone died.
Let me charge it.
Thanks. Well, it's all right. If you can. Now, 1400 years ago, this is not about the people of Noah, not people of Ibrahim alayhi salam. This is for us to understand. Now, Saad, you can sit down. You can sit down wherever you want to, man. Haima, focus. Iza Shamsu Kuvirat means when the sun will be darkened. Sun is a star, right? Haima, 11. Sun is a star. Earth is a planet. So Allah says your stars, the sun will be darkened. So you go to science school, you know what a black hole is? You know what a supernova is? You know what a pulsar is? Heard the word? A neutron star? Okay. Now, how do we know what a black hole is right now? Have you seen a black hole? Have human beings seen a black hole? Have human beings seen a star die? Yes, they have. Okay, they have. We can see it, okay? Actually, this phenomenon is happening right now. If you can study it, there are two stars coming together and just revolving around each other. You can see it. They're close enough that you can spot it. So Allah says, when your sun will be darkened. Ryan? And Abdullah bin Abbas, you know who he is? Heard the name? Abdullah bin Abbas. He's the scholar of the Quran. The Quran. He's the scholar of the Quran. He's not the people of the Nuh, people of Idris. He says, when people went to Abdullah bin Abbas, they said, what does this mean when the sun will be darkened? Abdullah bin Abbas says, Raima, he says, can I get your scarf? Thank you. This is what he does. Abdullah bin Abbas says, he opens the turban, because they used to wear turbans, right? We wear turbans, your mom wears a turban. He says, this is how the sun will be darkened. And people say, what does this mean? He says, the way you turn a turban, I'm turning the cloth on turban. This is how the sun will be darkened. Okay? Now, Rama, focus. This is how a star dies. This is how Abdullah bin Abbas is telling us. And see this in this slide. Rama, you see it? Now see the words of Abdullah bin Abbas. Read this. This is Abdullah bin Abbas. Now, Raima, you're 11. You should be asking this question. How did Abdullah bin Abbas, 1400 years ago in the desert, without a telescope? He's not the people of Nuh. He's the people of Muhammad bin Abdullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, like us. How did he know?
Even without a telescope, in the simulation.
Yeah, he wouldn't have. Yeah, he couldn't. Even with the telescope, he can't do that. We need a lot more technology to see this. I'm not here to give you a lecture on science. I'm here for Palestine. Make sure you don't forget that. So what has this got to do with that? This is what Allah is saying. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back so that you cannot take it for granted. Yeah, it's working.
A little delay.
هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آيات ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة, so that there is no doubt this is where I should play the video, but we can't.
If your phone charges up, I can connect your laptop to the Bluetooth and we can do it.
Oh yeah, because even my cell phone would have enough sound for everybody, okay? But here you go. Mitch, you gotta focus on this. This is what they're doing, trying to do Yatlu alayhim ayat. Right now, right here in England. That's what they're doing, Yatlu alayhim ayat. Oh God, you can't see what this is. You know what this is? This is the world's map. You know these dots? These dots are the research papers about the universe. Trying to decode the universe. Research papers. You know who writes them? Europe, England, and America. Europe, England, and America. You know what the rest of the world does? Nothing. And in the Quran, Allah says, Yatlu alayhim ayat is our duty. Yuzakkihim is our duty. Yu'allimhum al-kitab is our duty, and then